Hello from beautiful Panama, Pink Palace, Punta Chame, with your host Panamapeg. And today we're going to make really cool bolas, little balls. Balls of protein, balls of fiber, balls. Okay, so hello Sandy, hello. Okay, so first of all we're gonna use figs. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 figs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're gonna swoosh it. My favorite thing is swooshing. Okay, so here we go. Exciting, all the switching. Hello, hello. Okay, so now we got it all swooshed up, but we're gonna do it more swooshy, okay? And we're gonna make little balls using just figs, walnuts, a little bit of cinnamon, and coconut off my tree. Debbie, how are you? Here we go. Almost ready. This takes all of 10 minutes to do. And it lasts all week if you're lucky. If you're not lucky, it'll last one day. They're really good and they're diet-free and whatever. They're really good for you. Okay, so here we go. All crunched up. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna put some in here. And then we're gonna do the walnuts. So you need 1.5 cups of figs and 1.5 cups of walnuts. You need a bit of walnuts. And then you need 5 tablespoons of coconut, shredded, which we're going to throw in there. And my favorite part is swooshing. We're going to swoosh. And swoosh away. Hello, Laura. Okay, so we have it just about ready. Okay, just about ready. So then we're going to put it all in a glass thing and we're going to all swoosh it up. Okay. We'll swoosh it up. Where's my spoon? I'm going to put on the trusty gloves because we're going to do a lot of balls, rolling balls. Here you are. Okay, so this is spoon I used before to make the cinnamon rolls. I'll show you the rolls. You gotta go to Jump Chef. I'm gonna go to Boquete next week. I'm gonna interview 3 amazing chefs in Boquete. And we're gonna film their restaurants, so stay tuned. And so we're gonna put in. They say to put in 1 teaspoon, but I'm gonna put a tablespoon because I like cinnamon. Whoops. You know me. Okay. There we go. So then we just put them in a thing like this. We put on the trusty gloves. And then we just swoosh it around some more. And then we make little balls. And then you just make it by hand. So they wind up looking like this. Let's go see if our guests like them. Whoa. I know I do. Anyways, so that's my show for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you can make some of my favorite balls. All you need is a little bit of cinnamon, walnut, a little bit of coconut from your tree if you don't have it, and then the figs. If you don't have it, you can go in and get it at any store. They have them shredded. They have all kinds of coconut. So hope you like the show. Stay tuned. Join up Jump Chef. Subscribe to Jump Chef, and you'll see. I got lots of restaurants in Bukete. See you next week. Ciao for now.